Hello! To get animated wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down, go into the themes, and right here we have to go into wallpapers. And as you scroll a little bit down, you might find yourself animated wallpapers, and we can go in here. And as you can see, all the animated wallpapers have this tag animated, this little text right here. The wallpapers that don't have animations, actually, as you can see, will not have this text right here. So yeah, right here you can find all the animated wallpapers, and unfortunately basically all of them, almost all of them, are paid for, and you can find probably some animated free wallpapers as you type in wallpaper animated right here, as you search for animated, and filter top free, and you might find some wallpapers. As you can see here here's this one animated, this wallpaper is also animated, so there's a chance that you might find somewhere some animated free wallpapers, but mostly they are paid for. But basically all you have to do is to get yourself the wallpaper that you like, press download, wait for the download to complete, and from here you can find these wallpapers, all the downloaded wallpapers in the menu, my stuff, and right here we have wallpapers, and here we will have all the wallpapers that we have downloaded, and we can simply select the one that we like, press done to apply the changes, and right now we have this animated wallpaper. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.